warns of chaos in U.S. if court cases against him go ahead. Former U.S. President Donald Trump on Tuesday, January 9, warned that prosecution against him would lead to chaos in the U.S. The exact word he chose was bedlam, which, despite not having a catastrophic literal meaning, a scene full of noise and confusion, is enough to suggest something considerably chaotic, especially when viewed in the context of the January 6, 2021 attack on U.S. Capitol building, the attack carried out by Trump supporters. It's very unfair when a political opponent is prosecuted by the Justice Department of President Joe Biden, his likely 2024 election rival, Trump said. They feel this is the way they're going to try and win. And that's not the way it goes. It will be bedlam in the country. On Tuesday, Trump appeared in a court in Washington, D.C. to bat for immunity from prosecution over charges that accuse him of conspiracy to overturn U.S. presidential election 2020 results. The court where the 77-year-old former president arrived is just a few blocks away from U.S. Capitol building, which was stormed by his supporters in January 2021. The last attack on the U.S. Capitol building took place when America was still a British colony. The trial over the election charges is set to begin on March 4. Trump's legal team has appealed, quashing the charges, claiming that he has absolute immunity and can't be prosecuted for his actions while he was in the White House. By January 6, 2021, although it was clear that Trump had lost the election, he technically still was U.S. president since current President Joe Biden had not formally taken charge. This is not the first time an immunity claim has been made. Just last month, U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan rejected immunity, saying that even a former president can't have a lifelong get-out-of-jail-free pass. Chutkan will preside over the election-related trial against Trump. Trump's 4-year service as commander-in-chief did not bestow on him the divine right of kings to evade the criminal accountability that governs his fellow citizens, Chutkan had said while she rejected the request for immunity. Trump made an appeal against the decision, and a 3-judge panel of U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit was hearing oral arguments on Tuesday. Trump didn't need to attend the hearing, but he decided to turn up anyway. This is being seen as a political signal, as the hearing is taking place just days before Republican presidential primary in Iowa. If I don't get it, Biden doesn't get it. In the run-up to the court hearing on Tuesday, Trump posted on his Truth Social platform saying that if he doesn't get immunity, President Joe Biden can be indicted if he returns to power after 2024 elections. The least I am entitled to is presidential immunity on fake Biden indictments, Trump said. If I don't get immunity, then crooked Joe Biden doesn't get immunity, Trump said, claiming Biden would be ripe for indictment.